In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Mailerlite form into Kartra. By the end, your Mailerlite form will appear directly on your Kartra page, ready to collect leads without sending visitors elsewhere. Start in your Kartra dashboard and head to the Pages area on the left. Open all pages and choose the page where you want the form to live. Once the page editor loads, add a new section so you have a clean spot for the form. In the section library, look for the option called Your Code. This is Kartra's HTML block that lets you place third-party code. Insert that block into your section, then click to select it. Open its settings using the pencil icon so you can edit the code. Now switch over to your Mailerlite dashboard and open the form you want to use. In the Forms options, find the Show on Click event code. This snippet is designed to load your form when a visitor interacts with an element, which is a great way to keep pages clean and boost conversions. Click Copy to grab that code to your clipboard. Go back to the Kartra editor, and in the HTML blocks code window, paste the code you just copied from Mailerlite. Make sure you replace any placeholder text in the block so only your Mailerlite snippet remains. When everything looks good, click Save in the Kartra editor to apply the changes. A few quick tips to ensure everything works smoothly. Give the section enough spacing so the form or trigger is easy to find and click. If you're using a click-to-open behavior, label the button or link clearly so visitors know what to do. If the form doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. Embedded scripts sometimes need a quick reload. Styling such as colors and fields should be managed in Mailerlite, while placement and spacing are best handled in Kartra. That's it. You've successfully embedded a Mailerlite form into your Kartra page and saved your changes. Your form is now ready to capture signups right where your audience already is.